Proficient public health administrators are in more demand as healthcare continues to change. A Doctor of Public Health Administration (DPHA) degree teaches specific skills for navigating complicated systems. Discover the importance and unique potential in modern healthcare in the Doing DPHA program on this video. As healthcare challenges grow, there is an increasing demand for people with advanced education in public health. Specialized knowledge and talents are required to properly traverse these complexities. A DPHA degree prepares students to lead and come up with ideas in addressing important public health issues. DPHA programs focus on honing specialized skills crucial for effective public health leadership, including healthcare management, policy analysis, and strategic planning. Graduates emerge equipped with the expertise needed to navigate the complexities of modern healthcare systems and drive meaningful change in public health initiatives. One key aspect of the DPHA degree is its focus on developing strong leadership skills. Graduates are prepared to lead teams and organizations in addressing public health challenges at local, national, and global levels. Public health emergencies, such as pandemics and natural disasters, require swift and effective crisis management. DPHA graduates are equipped with the skills to lead emergency response efforts and mitigate the impact of crises on public health. In an interconnected world, global health issues have significant implications for local communities. DPHA programs provide students with a global health perspective, preparing them to address transnational health challenges and promote health equity worldwide. Continuous professional development is essential for public health leaders to stay abreast of evolving trends and best practices. DPHA programs offer opportunities for networking, mentorship, and ongoing skill development to support career advancement. Earning a DPHA degree opens up a wide range of career opportunities in government agencies, nonprofit organizations, healthcare institutions, academia, and international organizations. Graduates can pursue roles such as public health director, policy analyst, program manager, and consultant. Take charge of your future in public health. Join Texila for DPHA program. Admission is open now for DPHA. Visit our website through the link given in the caption or contact us for more information about the program. Our enrollment advisor will guide you. Enroll in Texila's DPHA program, an academic partnership with UCN.